Okay, good afternoon, class. Welcome to our math class. I am your teacher for this subject. I'm Alberto Cabelas. But first, we have a short recap of what we have discussed yesterday. They have some ideas what our lesson yesterday that we have tackled. Okay, thank you. It's all about integers, positive integers and negative integers. Do you still remember what we have discussed? Okay, thank you very much for your learning that you have gained. For now, let's finish it. Our lesson for this afternoon is all about exponent. But first, let's read first the learning objectives. Our learning objective for this lesson is all about first, solve problem involving exponent, including expressing number in exponential form. Then the second is applying the rules of exponent, basic rules, expanding exponential expression. Next. Okay, let's have a short quiz or inspirational activity to make you have any ideas of what we are going to discuss this afternoon. Okay, let's have 2 squared plus 8 squared. It's equal to A, 89, B, 85, C, 88, and D, 87. Okay, let's check if what would be the result. Check 5 squared is equal to 5 plus first by 8 squared is equal to 25 plus 64. Then when we combine the negatives, so it was 9 at both sides equals 8. So the answer is 89. Okay, next question is 2 cubed plus 3 squared. A 15, B 17, C 20, and D 16. Okay, class, let's check. 2 squared cube 2 cube plus 3 squared is equal. So let's evaluate first the equation. 2 to the cube is 8 and plus 3 squared is 9. So it's equal to, what would be the answer, class? B 17. Okay, think what would be the, okay, letter B, the right answer, class.